Today's best music, it's 98.9 Magic FM, Cliff Cage. So you've been hearing us talk about it a lot. Back to the 90s concert. It's going down this Saturday at the Colorado State Fair. We got Naughty by Nature, Vanilla Ice, Kid and Play, Kool Moe Dee are going to be down in P-Town. And I hate to brag, but I was able to interview Vin Rock, who is from Naughty by Nature. And in the interview, I asked him, what has Naughty by Nature been up to? Have you guys been touring? This is what he had to say.
Yeah, absolutely. We've been touring around, and actually this year is our 25th anniversary, so we've been running all year, promoting the fact of and just making moves, you know?
And I also asked Vin Rock, what's one thing that most people either don't know about Naughty by Nature, or maybe people who are just becoming fans need to know?
I would just say our geographical location. A lot of people think we're from L.A. or the West Coast, but Naughty by Nature, we're born and raised right here in Jersey, man. So I think we've been around for so long all over the place, people kind of lost track of where our hometown is, but it's definitely New Jersey all the way.
So myself, I'm a product of the 90s, and so I always wondered, what was it like touring with these legends of hip-hop, like Salt-N-Pepa, Biz Markie, just to name a few?
Right. So for us, you know, we came out in 91. So our first tour was with Public Enemy, Heavy D and the Boys. We toured with Salt-N-Pepa early those days, and guys like Kid and Play and Biz Markie. So we were always fans of those guys, and for us, it was like we were the new kids on the block, and we were really impressed, and we got to see, you know, from behind the scenes how these guys got down and prepared for touring. So we got to study those guys as our forefathers, and we definitely incorporated a lot of how they move out there, you know, into what we do. So we kind of took it and ran with it. And, you know, kind of like a difference is today, what we see with a lot of today's artists, that camaraderie isn't the same. It's more of a, you know, it's all about me kind of attitude, and it's not that same camaraderie on the road with the new artists. But for us, you know, coming up in the 90s, man, it was all love and all one big family out there. And when you toured with your peers or your forefathers, they always looked out for you.
So definitely from the 90s to even early 2000s to right now, 2016, music has gone through a big change. So who are some of the artists that you like right now in 2016?
Well, guys, I like cats like J. Cole and Kendrick Lamar, you know, and realistically, I mean, you can't front on Drake. Drake is so diverse, and he makes a lot of incredible music, and I really like the way he's shaking it up now, you know, bringing in more international sounds. He's bringing in those African and Brazilian type sounds in his music, so I really like that, man, because it keeps everyone else on their toes. And just like when we came up, there was always a whack DJ, a sucker MC, a song you considered whack. So that's in there as well. But I wouldn't, you know, I would caution against a bunch of guys my age or coming from my era to just throw away all of what's going on in hip-hop right now, because, you know, it's really not the truth. All of hip-hop, all of today's hip-hop doesn't suck. You know, there's some great music out there as well.
So on my last question with this legend, I was able to ask him, who's an artist or a band that would surprise most people that you listen to?
Yeah, man, I rock out with Maroon 5. You know, I like smooth groove, easy rock and stuff. So my man Adam Levine, I like his flavor, I like his style, and actually one of my favorite songs, you know, well, Maroon 5 period, but I like his hip hop collab with Kanye West, Heard Him Say. That rocks, you know?
It still seems unreal that I was able to interview Vin Rock from Naughty by Nature. I just still can't even believe it. But before I let him go, since I have a legend on the phone, I gotta go big. So I asked him, could you do a drop for me from a show? And he said, I got you.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This has been Rock from Naughty by Nature. Yeah, you know me. You're checking out Magic After Midnight with the big homie Cliff Cage right here on 98.9 Magic FM.